Okay, good morning and Happy New Year, BringATRailer watchers. This is Speedy Skippy, and I'm grabbing a hold of an exhaust manifold that's stone cold, an intake manifold, timing chain housings. Everything is cold. Well, inside cold. And we're going to do a cold start video of the BringATRailer Safari. There's 4 bar of oil pressure on cold startup. And it has a nice idle and burble. And unfortunately, we're going to head out in the lousy weather to get the next video. Stay tuned. We will have a driving video shortly.